So if you are a fresher and want to come to the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so subscribe to this channel because here we do not bring only job notifications but also enhance your skills. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my data version. So today we have a job notification for operation executive in the company Flipkart. So for those who don't know about Flipkart, so Flipkart is the largest e-commerce company. It has customer around 150 million. It is working since 10 years and sells product 150 plus category including smartphones, books, media, consumer electronics, furniture, fashion, etc. So coming to the job description. So ownership of execution of homepage go lives, merchandising setup and error rate reduction. So basically you need to channelize certain tools for reducing the error in the app. You will be doing data analysis and reporting of key business metrics like top of funnel, views, CTR, visit revenue, take recommendation. You will be working closely with the platform team to plan offer and visibility plans for ROI maximization. You will be analyzing and negotiating visibility with stakeholders, suggest improvement alternatives for the business. You will be responsible for offer and visibility avenue go lives, error rate reductions, testing for platform. You will be working on the automation part, for example, create a various dashboard, alter and data visualizations, drive actionable insights quickly. You will be making reports and performance reporting to internal as well as external stakeholders. So as you can clearly understand, this job more offers to data analysis and it is going to be good opportunity because here you are working as an operation analyst in the Flipkart with good compensation. So location will be Bangalore. Fresher to 1 year experience can apply for this. So I highly recommend you to apply for this and share with your friends